Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pineapple kombucha. First, gather your essential ingredients: a healthy SCOBY, some starter tea, black tea, sugar, and filtered water. Begin by brewing your sweet tea, then let it cool completely to room temperature. Carefully combine the cooled tea, SCOBY, and starter tea in a clean glass jar. Cover it with a breathable cloth and secure it with a rubber band. Now, let the first fermentation begin. Once your first fermentation is complete, it's time for the exciting second fermentation. First, prepare your fresh pineapple by peeling, coring, and dicing it into small, manageable pieces. Carefully strain your fermented kombucha, making sure to reserve the SCOBY and enough starter tea for your next batch. Now, add the diced pineapple directly into your clean brewing bottles, then fill them with the strained kombucha. Seal the bottles tightly and let them ferment for 2 to 4 days to achieve that perfect fizz. Achieving the right carbonation is key for delicious kombucha. After about 2 days of second fermentation, gently open one bottle over a sink to check for fizz. If it's not fizzy enough, reseal and let it ferment for another day. Once your kombucha has reached your desired level of carbonation, transfer all bottles to the refrigerator. This cold temperature will effectively halt the fermentation process. Your homemade pineapple kombucha can be stored in the fridge for several weeks, ready to enjoy chilled. Troubleshooting is part of the brewing journey. Always ensure proper sanitation to prevent mold. If you see any, discard the batch. Adjust fermentation times based on your room temperature and how sweet or tart you prefer your kombucha. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Finally, feel free to experiment with different fruit combinations to discover your next favorite kombucha flavor. Enjoy your delicious, homemade pineapple kombucha.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.